Imagine driving 30 kilometers daily in the Philippines. With a gasoline car, you might spend 120 pesos to 200 pesos daily on fuel. But with electric vehicle, you could drive the same distance for less than 50 pesos. So the big question is, are electric cars really cheaper than gasoline cars in the Philippines? Let's break down the number. In this video, we're comparing electric cars and gasoline cars in the Philippines. Not opinion, not marketing, but the real cost Filipino drivers face every day. You will learn cost per kilometer comparison, key maintenance differences, yearly maintenance costs, gas versus EV saving overview, and key takeaways. And one of these options might surprise you. When most Filipinos think of buying a car, the first thing that they look at is the price of the vehicles. But the real cost of owning a car is not just the price. It is fuel, maintenance, repairs, and daily driving expenses. And this is where the EV versus gas debate becomes interesting because gasoline cars and electric cars work very differently. Gas cars burn fuel, electric cars run on stored electricity, and that difference dramatically changes long term costs and ownership. Let's discuss gas versus EV estimated cost per kilometer. So for gasoline car, the energy price is between 60 to 70 pesos per liter. It might be higher or lower when you watch this video because geographical factor brings the prices up and down. Typical efficiency for gasoline car is between 12 to 15 kilometers per liter. So estimated cost per kilometer is 4 to 5 pesos. For electric vehicle or EV, the energy price is 10 to 13 kilowatt per hour. And typical efficiency is 6 to 7 kilometers per kilowatt hour. And estimated cost per kilometer is 1 to 2 pesos. Electric vehicle is up to 60 to 70% cheaper per kilometer. How did we compute the figure here? For gasoline car, fuel cost divided by distance per liter. For electric vehicle, electricity cost divided by distance per kilowatt hour. Quick question for you. Do you think electric vehicles will replace gasoline cars in the Philippines? Comment below. Key maintenance differences between gasoline car and electric vehicle. So under category, we have all changes. It is required for gasoline car and not required for electric vehicle. Spark plugs required, not required for electric vehicle. Exhaust system present in gasoline car, not present in the electric car. Transmission complexity, complex multi-gear system with gasoline car and simple single speed system with electric vehicle. Moving parts. There are hundreds of moving parts with gasoline car and far fewer moving parts with electric vehicle. EV versus gas yearly maintenance estimated cost. So for gasoline car, maintenance item, engine oil changes, spark plugs, exhaust system repairs, transmission maintenance. And the typical yearly maintenance cost is from 15,000 pesos to 20,000 pesos. So internal combustion engines have many moving parts requiring regular servicing. Electric vehicle main maintenance items: tire rotation, brake fluid, cabin filter, and software diagnostics. The typical yearly maintenance cost is from 10,000 pesos to 13,000 pesos. Sa keynotes here, no oil changes, no exhaust system, fewer moving parts. Gas versus EV saving overview. The assumption, parameter, and value. Daily commute distance, for instance, 35 kilometers per day. So the monthly driving distance is more or less 1,000 kilometers. So the gasoline car cost per kilometer is 4 to 5 pesos. For electric vehicle, cost per kilometer is 1 to 2 pesos. From these numbers, we can come up with the estimated monthly costs. So for gasoline car, The monthly cost is 4,000 to 5,000 pesos for fuel. And for electric vehicle is 1,000 to 2,000 pesos. It means that electric vehicle saves 3,000 pesos estimated per month. When you multiply that to 12 months, you can save 36,000 pesos yearly. So what does this mean for Filipino drivers? Gasoline cars still dominate today, but electric vehicles offer cheaper running costs, lower maintenance, and much higher energy efficiency. And as charging stations expand across the Philippines, electric driving may soon become common on the Philippine roads. If you enjoy learning about electric mobility in the Philippines, subscribe to EV Explorer PH for more video like this. Thank you for watching.